So I really want to ask people to think about why we are reacting to this risk the way we are versus other risks that kill more people every year. Let's talk about America and Americans for a second. There are disease states that consistently yearly kill people in the tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands, and we don't throw everything in the kitchen sink to save those people from dying, despite the fact that we know those interventions could very well save lives. Why are we doing that for? Worst case scenario, again, if the mortality rate is the worst case scenario, I appreciate that we're talking about hundreds of thousands of Americans killed. Let's say more realistically, it's on the lower side. Now we're talking about thousands or tens of thousands killed, which on the ranking of risks is still massively low for what kills Americans. So why are we overreacting to this versus other things that kill us? Here's why, right? Is because it is novel. It impacts the elderly. It is potentially endemic. It has catastrophic potential. It has exceptional fear and dread. These are all triggers in our brain because of how our brains are wired that we are reacting. And it's involuntary. So we're being exposed to it against our will, which is unlike getting in a car and driving it, despite that risk being really high.